Hey everybody, New Smyrna Beach Nana here. We're down at Menard May Park in Edgewater, and it's like crazy windy. Look at this. I don't think I've ever seen it like this on the Indian River Lagoon. It's crazy. But what you gonna do? Well, it's good to see you. It's about mid-60s and windy, so it's beautiful sunshine. It's cold. I don't like this cold. But there's a person kayaking up there. I don't think they even need to paddle. That wind is pushing them. But this water's crazy. Let's take a look and see what we can find. All right, there we go. We're looking. Some shells, lots of oysters, of course. Really awesome stuff. Rocks, another oyster shell. Ooh, check it out. We have a cannonball jellyfish, which you can pick up as long as you don't touch the bottom of it. See that? Poor little guy. I don't think he's doing very well. Usually they're round like a cannonball, but this guy is he's heavy. He's definitely seen better days. But we're just going to pop him back there, and I have a feeling he's not alive anymore, which is sad. Probably the wind blew him in. There's our little kayak friend. Yeah, good. You don't have to paddle, the wind's pushing you. So, that's pretty cool here. Two guys kayaking, having a good time. So yeah, it's just a little crazy over here. I'm so tired of this cold winter weather. I cannot wait for it to get warmer. Would be really good. Let's see what else we can find over here, like seagulls. We'll see what they're doing. Got some black ring dolls on their ring beak. Let's see what they're up to. Ooh, gotta climb up. Hi, kids. Talking away. Okay if I walk down here with you? Yeah? Alright. See, they have yellow legs and a black ring around their beak. And then they have spots on the back. So, that's how you can tell what they are. There'll be a lot of black ring gulls. Right? Yep. So, it's a crazy day out. These poor guys over here are having a hard time with their kayaks, but anywho, just a quickie. Wanted to let you know we're still hanging in there, so please God send some warm weather. It's cold. So anyway, if you like videos, give me a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell when you see a new one come up. Bye y'all. Love you.